Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another makeup look for my art assignment. This is actually my last one I've done. I haven't filmed any of the rest because I just didn't. Anyway, also I've done a recreation for Shiny Grimond. That's why I look like this. So yeah, let's get into it. So this look is representing Bubbly. Well, her middle name is her nickname, sorry, is Bubbles. And she's also just, her personality is like bubbly. So anyway, the main idea is kind of like ocean sort of theme-ish, because bubbles, you know. So it's going to be like a mermaid sort of ocean thing. We're just going to start with blue eyeshadow. So I'm going to get out my... I'm on my new makeup desk that I got today. It's actually pretty sick. I'm not going to lie. I like it. Anyway, so this is my Morphe 35B Color Burst palette. I'm going to use like the blue shades on half of her face. So it's going to sort of go like across and just like sort of down. I've drawn it like on my art book, so. I'm just going to grab this Morphe brush. It's got purple on it already, that's why I'm going to use it because it's already got a dark colour in it. So I'm just going to dip it into the shade Deep Dive. Now we're going to go in with the shade Sky, which is like a much lighter blue. I'm just going to put heaps on. We're just going to like blend them together just to add different colours throughout it. Okay, so now that we've done all that, we're going to just have this darker blue, which is the shade... the shade Denim. It's like a really dark navy blue. We're just going to put like a bit about that around the outside. We're also going to put some the dark blue, like the shade Denim down where you'd contour sort of. I was planning to paint that side of her face white, but last time I used white face paint, didn't really end out that well. So the face paint I have isn't really that great, so it just cracks. So when I do like the whole face, it looks really bad, so that's why we didn't do that. Okay, now we're just going to go with like this sparkly blue shade, which is Azure. A-Z-U-R-E. I don't know how to say that, but we're just going to put that on. We're just going to like highlight her face with it. So we're going to do like a purple eyeshadow. We're going to start with like this, just like this light purple, which is the shade Lavender. Hold up. Conceal her lids first. I'm just going to conceal both her lids just so we get them both out of the way so I don't forget. Papa!
When I was feeding the dog, I accidentally put the dog biscuits in the water. Oh.
What? Anyway, so we're just going to go in with the shade Lavender and on her right lid. And then we're going to go in with the shade Purplish, which is this, like it's like a darker purple. I'm just going to apply that. Okay, now we're going to go back in with the concealer brush and we're just going to cut a crease with the blue. So we're going to... Just going to go in with... Oh yes, that's gorgeous. So we're going to go in with the one I couldn't pronounce, the Azure. I don't actually know. We're just going to pack it on to the crease. all complete, we're just gonna add, what else are we gonna do? What is the next step? I want some silver in there. So I'm gonna get my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. And I'm just gonna, we're using the shade Glam Rock. Glam Rock. We're just gonna apply it brush and we're just gonna put it in the corner of the crease. Now what's next on my thing? I was going to glue the eyebrows down, but I don't want to glue the eyebrows down today, thank you. We're not doing that. So, on this side, we're just going to do like, we're going to use sky blue again. Was it sky blue? Yeah. So, and we're just going to okay, so we're going to cut the crease again. Oh, we're using Tarte Creaseless Concealer. You can see that or not. I don't know if I should crease the whole way. And then we're going to go in with the same shade we just used for the silver, which is Glam Rock. So we're just going to apply that to the crease. So now we're going to go in with, I'm just going to use my foundation because I don't know what hers is and hers is really bad, no offense, not going to lie. So I'm just going to put like one squirt on my wrists because I don't want to use it all. We just primed with this because this is actually prime and setting spray in one. Look, 2-in-1, primer and setting spray. So that's cool. So yeah, just primed. So now I've already dampened this. So we're just going to apply it. We're just going to use this Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer. There's not much left. I need to buy more. I'm just going to apply it on this eye. Just to lighten up the area and draw attention to it. And just up here. A bit to the nose. A bit of contour, so I'm going to use a Sports Girl brush. I'm just going to put a bit on there. Today. I'm just going to kind of blend it in. Not to diss Sports Girl or anything, but like their contour and bronzer is not the best. That's why I barely ever use it. So like I'm not the best at it. So like, yes, I know this probably doesn't look the best, but like I'm not professional in that area. But you know what? I'll give it a crack. So now I'm gonna go in with Sports Girl again bronzer, and I'm just gonna use my Sports. Actually, I think these are from Cotton On. I said Sports Girl in my last video, and they're actually I think from Cotton On. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna add a bit of highlighter. So basically, I don't know if you can see us, I don't know. My camera died, but I called it, okay. It didn't go on. So I just put it on charge for a bit, so that's why the lighting will be different. It's a bit darker. Anyway, we're gonna move right on. Do a little like hack, little trick using fishnet tights. And yes. So basically what we're gonna be doing is I've never actually tried this. I should probably try it on myself first. So I'm just gonna get this brush. I feel like I need a bigger brush. Like I feel like it would work better. Can you hold it? I'm just going to dip it into the shade Denim again, which is the darker blue. And now we're going to add the colour, we're going to mix Sky and Deep Dive, so the other two blue shades together, and we're just going to go over the top of that. Now we're just going to go over with the dark purple, which the shade colour is purplish. No, we're not. Grape Pop is like a darker purple. Use purplish, which is like the medium kind of purple over the top of it. Ooh, shoop-a-doopy-doo. Go over to our family's channel. I'll take it off now. I wear my Rashi all day long. Go check out the link down below. Actually, I'll put the link at the end of this video. Go click it if you haven't watched it already. Family YouTube channel. We're going to become famous superstars. Singing. Can't even made a song. Okay. Take it off. I'm scared. That actually looks sick. Okay, that looks sick. Okay. Yeah. Back on here. But like kind of stretch it out. No, just get it back on there. Okay, don't. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm just going to go in with like the light, with colour Sky again. Just the light blue. I'm just going to. Where'd you get the Rush Fest from? The dollar store, it was 20% off. I wear my Rashi. I'm just going to use the shade Lavender on the very outside, just to kind of blend it all together and blend it out. It's not just like there, you know? That looks sick. Okay, I'm actually really proud of how that turned out. I'm going to set that first before anything happens. I'm meant to be drawing bubbles. So, this is going to be really fun. I'm going to get my face paint out, which is down here. I'm so organised now. Usually I have them all in plastic bags, but as of a few hours ago, I've like organised everything in containers, in my drawers and like shelves I have in my new desk. So I'll show you at the end. Well, I think it looks good anyway. So we're just going to put a bit of blue, no, a lot of white and a bit of blue. Okay, so we're going to just mix these two together. You're going to come back here. Can you sit up, please? So we've got the bubbles on the side of her face. Now I'm just going to go over with like white. Should I outline it in dark blue? Or white? I'm going to outline the bubbles and I'm going to like shade in some like dark blue. No, I shouldn't do that actually. That's like what we've done. Bubbles. Okay, so now that we've got the bubbles, like the white on them, we're gonna just use the dark blue and just give it a tiny little bit of detail. We're gonna get purple. Purple, blue, another blue, another purple. It's like a shade of purple, another shade of blue, a silver, and a white. We're gonna just do some dots. Now we're gonna use white face paint. No, actually we're not. We're gonna use this light blue. Jasmine, stop humming! You're humming! Your insides are moving!
Stop moving your legs!
Stop.
Oh, this one's on the sleep playlist.
I'm using Jasmine's mascara, which is the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal.
We have two of them.
Mine's waterproof though, so I didn't know it was waterproof until I got it and couldn't get it off. And I just remembered I like finished my assignment. This is done. No, come here. I'm gonna add some more blue to the mixture I have. Okay, so
Done.
wait, stop, hold up.
What is it called?
This is what it's, okay, it's really bad in this lighting. When I get the photos taken, they will look better with flash and stuff. Okay, why are you moving close to the camera? So yeah, we just have some blobs. It's obviously, I thought it would look better, not gonna lie. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new, and like even if you're not new. And anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you just watch my other videos, and yeah, cool. Thanks, bye.